Welcome back. Now last week we began looking at household cleaning as part of our daily life series, and we talked about vacuuming. This week we're going to talk about sweeping, or even if you're mopping, kind of the same format and same form for your body. What we really want to do is we're maximizing our body position so we don't get the aches and pains that come along with doing rigorous household chores. Now with vacuuming, you're moving forward and backwards, but with sweeping, it's more of a side-to-side motion. We typically have one side that we prefer. So for me, I'm left-handed. I prefer if I stand one direction and I sweep towards my left shoulder. That doesn't mean I want to stay that way. So as I mentioned last week with vacuuming, I changed arms, changed legs. Same thing with sweeping. I want to spend some time evening myself out, even if I have a preference towards one side. So if I'm looking at sweeping, my body position, I want to be planted basically parallel to the area that I'm working. I want one foot, lined up and the other foot lined up, and I'm going to have my body weight shifted over to the left if I'm sweeping to the left. It helps stabilize me, and it allows me to keep my ribs down and grounded as I move the broom towards that side. If I need to go the other direction, I'm going to turn around, plant my weight, shift my weight over to the right a little bit, feel my right inner thigh, and I'm going to sweep towards it. Now, with my shoulders and my elbows, I want them down and in a relaxed position as I use one hand to push forward, the other hand to push the opposite direction to allow me to sweep. And in this way, I don't have to hunch up my shoulders, I don't have to arch my back. I can stay grounded, I can have my body weight over my heels, and I can sweep and I can just move along and replant myself. So that way it's not all coming from my neck and upper shoulders if I'm trying to sweep as fast as possible. And now I have my shoulders up, my elbows up. It's going to create a lot of stress to my body. Instead, we're going to try to ground ourselves as much as possible, get the ribs down, get the weight on our heels and the back of our arches, plant ourselves, and then push with one arm, push the opposite direction with the other arm to stabilize. All the while my ribs are down, belly's out, and I'm in neutral. I hope this was helpful. If you have other ideas or you want me to talk about anything else, please let me know. Reach out to me, amy@paberinstitute.com, amy@pabrinstitute.com. Love to hear from you. Have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Bye.